A lot of the bottles that we offer have special stories behind them to pay homage to the families involved. And one of them would be our sweet rosé, which is called Forget Me Not. It actually has a picture of my grandparents on the label, and it's them on their wedding day. They both unfortunately suffered from Alzheimer's, so we do donate a portion of the proceeds from every bottle sold to the Alzheimer's Foundation in their memory. We also have a few dries that we do. We have everything from dry whites, dry reds, and some semis. One of the semi-dries that we just introduced, it's actually our newest wine, is our Riesling, and that is called A Rose Still Grows. And that one is named to honor Patty's aunt and uncle. And part of the proceeds from every bottle of A Rose Still Grows that's sold goes to support the Dyslexia Foundation. We also offer a sparkling wine. We call it Sankawi, which means from Mother Earth. So again, just a little homage to the fact that it's really important to us to keep everything, farm to table and promoting local agriculture. We also offer 4 different meads. They are all true meads, so they are made with honey that is fermented. We have a traditional mead, a hibiscus mead, and then 2 specialty meads that we offer as well.
This wine is probably our #1 seller. It is our soup to nuts, and it does have my maternal grandmother on the label. A lot of people think that maybe she was a fighter pilot for World War II, but it really was just one of those magazine covers where you could be whatever you wanted to be. And that day she felt like being a fighter pilot. This one I actually named after my father. It's a Thair Ladair, which is Celtic for strong father. 2 things that my father was very proud of were his Irish heritage and the fact that he served our country during the Korean conflict. We offer a 10% discount to all veterans as well as first responders.